Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to block pop-ups for all websites in Google Chrome application on an Android device. To begin, open the browser. Now tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then go for Settings. Now scroll down until you see the Site Settings tab. Select it and then search for the pop-ups and redirects option. If you want to block this option, you want to disable it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.